Welcome back to the channel. Create a front yard landscape without glass. Is a smart modern solution for homeowner who want beauty without consider main entrance. Whether you live in a dark climate, watts to a water, simple dislike more growing free landscape often Andally create a possibility for a growing gardening to lush plants agreement. You can design a land front yard that both paradise smart we explored inspire idea for tip you to create a welcome low maintenance front yard perfect. What choose a glass free front yard traditional lamp requires significant water move and upkeep remove often service water conventional idea for a during request low maintenance remove or finish can save water and requested explored modern aesthetic clean and contemporary look Asia friendly spotted centrability landscape glass free yard perfect for host climate ward main entrance grass is defined landscape for a clean modern look is of the most popular alternative to growing. It's provide textile important to create sleep appear. Design idea use light color to bright the space. Create a pathway and supporting stone. Climax growing with during plants best visitor tip river rock. Install a wake, bring and keep 2 minutes minimize best a warm natural textile. River color and help requested salt white week wood charm, pin warmth, create layout plan, beds with sufficient to flower deep and installing interior stone hardscape. Hardscape replace lamp area with during living style surface. Idea for tips: stone river rock, patio decoration board, geometric palette, hardscape water, earth well, modern and minimalist home, nature alternate plants, natural plants and location make theme and extra glass alternate benefit casted lot water, restrict wall supported wild wildlife, recent plant nature to your requested and sub inspire landscape, add define often a strike low main interest front yard design, keep elements, sand a geometric shed, long rock burn, succulent plants like yard and urban, minimize layout. This style amplifies simplicity and natural beauty. Supported stone pathway even without gardening pathway creates structure and functional material. Pale stone, burn natural stone. Place stone in gardening mulch consider an interior appear. Restrict plants and gardening bed and allow your growing flower hub and structure. Alternate better quality sound. Burn main interest. Add wide and succulent. Use material like wood, stone, and customize to during decoration